The reality of compassion is you have to sit down and try to understand the quality of your life and the others. That is very important. If you do understand what you need, what you're lacking, and what she needs, what he needs, and what is lacking in these two people, I understand very genuinely, unconditionally. That is compassion. That itself is a compassion. Without saying anything, without even doing anything. You don't have to do anything. Sit down and just contemplate. That is the real, genuine compassion. Before turning it into love, the compassion has to be developed. And that will open your awareness and open your, whatever you may call, your heart.